my time, you all I want. Neither of us wanna be alone. Breathing in your love.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So I'm just going to give you another reason why I'm bullish on the ETF MNRS. Actually, I should start with that. So this is the MNRS. Now it's hedged against the US dollar, so it doesn't matter what the Aussie dollar does. It's not going to impact performance. So it's just a pure gold play without currency implications. And why I believe this thing's going to the moon. So let's, first of all, we've got the gold price. So these are monthly charts. Look at that. It's like a rocket, nothing can stop it. Alright, so if we look at the top 10 stocks in the MNRS ETF, you'll get my picture. And there's a few rounded bottoms in here. As you know, I like my rounded bottoms. So this is Newmont. And these are like not just over a year. These are like since 2010. These trends have started. And you know the gold price is up here. And these people, that's all they do is mine gold. And the cost of gold, like producing it, is usually fixed. So the more the gold price goes up, the bigger the percentage of their profits. So Newmont hasn't even woken up yet. Once it takes out resistance, it's going to fly. Then we got AEM. So these are the stocks that are sitting under the MNRS ETF. Now we didn't have really quite a rounded bottom. It doesn't matter. This thing's already off to the races. Next one we've got is Barrick Gold. Not really a rounded bottom. It doesn't matter. It's about to break the trend line, and you can see it's miles away from all-time highs. And yet again, the gold price is up here, so that's about to break that trend line. Next one, bit of a rounded bottom there. It's broken the resistance line. Nothing's going to stop that. Okay, it's an interesting one. Yeah, old Franco, FNV. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually the fourth it goes, so 5. Once it breaks, that's going to go. GFI. Nearly around the bottom, but it got a bit edgy here. It doesn't matter. It's broken that uptrend line. And you can see a few times people have been trying to sell it down. See those wicks there? And now the people selling have given up. EGO. Look at that. I can almost draw a rounded bottom there, but it doesn't need it. Once that breaks that resistance there, that's off to the races. KGC, Kinross. Nice multi-year bottom. Broken resistance. Nothing's going to stop that. Harmony, nice rounded bottom. Already broken. Once it takes out that resistance, that's off. So they're the top 10 stocks that are sitting underneath. I think that accounts for about 60 or 70% of the market cap of this ETF. So there was none of those stocks there that looked like they're going to go down. So it's definitely not too late to get into this ETF, even though it looks like, oh, it's at all-time high. Just look at those stocks underneath it, and where is it? Sorry, and that. If that can't convince you, I don't know what will. Anyway, that's just my personal opinion. Alright, thanks guys. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just to know that there's plenty of videos on my homepage I've got a section on videos on the gold silver series, and why I'm bullish on them. A section on Aussie miners. A section on ETFs ready to buy or sell. A section on shares ready to buy or sell. Some forecasts of the market in there. Some crackers. Some reviews of what the experts tell you and how much crap they can talk. Some educational videos, some charting education videos, some videos on how my performance is going to show I know what I'm talking about, and some videos on crypto. So how can you get there easily? In the description page of each video, just click on down here and that'll take you there. Thanks a lot.
Never waste my time. You are I want.